Alrighty, guys, we're back. And I got the OJ, fresh OJ, may I add, on deck here, guys, which means it's about to be a banger video. So we have to cover Soundhound AI like you guys saw in the title. We're going to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and how we're looking right now as it is about 11:30 a.m. and as Soundhound is moving up 3%. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your 30 stocks for a moo. Check out the link right down below. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, get your 30 stocks. And man, I got to clear my throat by using that link right down below or by going to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So it's about 11:30, 11:40 a.m. on the East Coast right now, and we have Soundhound moving up over 2.8%. We're pushing up over $16.80 right now, guys. And to me, it looks like, well, we're continuing this breakout, right? Yesterday, or not even yesterday, that was 2 days ago. 2 days ago, we were at $13.90, $14 in the morning, right? What day was that? I'm losing track of the days here, guys. Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday morning, we were under 14. That was the first day officially that Trump was president. The stock market loved it, and Soundhound did as well, right? Soundhound went crazy. It went all the way to about $16.50 at close on Tuesday. And then yesterday, we hit almost $18 in the pre-market, only to then sell off a bit intraday. But now, on Thursday, guys, we're starting to break out again. We're up over 3% now. And by the way, the stock market is not, it's green for the most part, but it's not a crazy green day. In fact, QQQ is down a bit right now. So Soundhound is looking good, looking better than every index right now. And to me, guys, it looks like it's getting ready to break back out towards $17, maybe even over that. That's kind of what it looks like right now on this 5-day, 5-minute. And here on the 30-minute chart, you guys can see if I, get this handy dandy arrow tool out, buyers came in at this 180 SMA on this 30-minute chart, which you guys see here. We saw buyers come in at a higher low. Boom. We held that. We got the pop. Now we're again pushing $17. So this looks really good on the 30-minute. The 5-day looks good for the bulls overall for a reversal at this point. And coming over here to the 1-hour chart, it looks great. Buyers came in right at that 50 SMA. You guys see it right here. Boom. Like clockwork, right after the dip, buyers came in. Now we're popping up here. That's a pretty good sign. And on the 4-hour chart, well, remember the head and shoulders that we talked about, right? If you guys want me to draw it out again, boom, I'll do it. Boom, right there, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You guys see it? We're starting to break out of the neckline here, which is ideal for the bulls. For the head and shoulders not to play out, right? Which is what the bulls obviously want. So you guys can see the neckline, which is right around the left shoulder here, $16 per share. We broke out of it a couple of days ago. That might have been on Tuesday. We broke out of it, right? Wednesday, yesterday, we held above it all day. And today, mind you, notice where buyers came in right at $16 pretty much, right around that level. And that is the neckline. So in other words, guys, we held the neckline as support. Buyers came in there as support. And now it looks like it could be gearing up for something like this. An overall breakout potentially, especially if it breaks out of $18, guys. If we take out the highs from earlier this week, right? We're going to really start flying again, in my opinion, here on Soundhound, but we're not fully getting it yet, but we're seeing the baby steps, if you will. And you can even look at this and be like, oh, it's a cup and handle, right? I mean, it kind of is. You guys see the cup, the handle. It kind of looks like a cup and handle in the making, which is also pretty bullish. So I'm going to set 2 alerts right now. I'm going to set an alert at $17.50, and I'll do another one at might as well do 2 more actually on second thought. I'll do one at $17 as well, a bit closer to where we are now, and I'll do one, why not, at $18 per share. So I'm thinking, guys, if we're able to break out of the highs from yesterday, this could catch fire fast. Very fast, in my opinion. I don't know. I could be crazy. I could be wrong. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And by the way, sign up to the email list if you haven't done so already. I don't know what you guys are waiting for. It's free, and I send out my top stocks, 3 stocks usually, every Monday, right to your email, and it's free. Put your first name and your email address using that link right down below, and you guys are in there just like that. So yeah, that's a breakdown on Soundhound, how we're looking right now. And let's take a look quickly at the indexes to see what we're looking like here, guys. The S&P SPY is up around 0.2%. Looks like we're getting awfully close now to all-time highs. We pretty much almost hit them earlier today. Looks like yesterday as well. We're pretty much right there, guys. To give you perspective, all-time highs on SPY are 609 pretty much, 609 flat, and now we're at 607.45. So we're pretty much there, I'm not surprised. We called this out a week ago, right? Excuse me, guys. And QQQ, even though it's red right now, down about 0.25%, it's still breaking out to all-time highs as well. Yesterday, we hit 534. All-time highs are 539. To give you guys perspective, we're pretty much there. We are pretty much there at this point. And, you know, even though today's not the most explosive green day, it is a green day overall for the most part, except for QQQ. And the charts still look really good, guys. Really good. And if you haven't realized, I'm sure a lot of you have, but the stock market has been moving pretty much for the last week at this point. So we're due for a slower day. It's perfectly normal. And for Pete's sake, guys, the Dow's still up 0.6. Russell's up 0.25%. S&P's up 0.25%. Not bad, not bad. And a lot of stocks, man, are crushing it. OKLO can't stop. I don't know what is going on. It's at $40 a share now. $39.40, up another 14%. I mean, this stock pretty much has doubled up from where we called it out a couple videos ago, a couple days ago. I mean, OKLO keeps on going. Netflix is also on the move again. 980 is where it's at now, up 3%. It looks like it wants $1,000 a share again, guys, by the looks of it here. And what else is moving quickly? Pinterest is moving, which I'm watching their earnings actually very closely. They're coming up, I think, in February. Yeah, the 6th of February after the bell, we're getting earnings out of Pinterest, which this stock has been flat since August. My alert's at $34. We're getting close to that point. I think if earnings crush, which who knows? I mean, the company's been struggling, but hey, they might surprise. And if they do, 34 breaks, there could be a massive upwards correction due for this stock. I don't know. We'll see. I'm watching him. I'm watching them again on the 6th of February. They're set to report earnings. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money, or it's just my name, Stas Surfest. But you guys know how the YouTube has that @ symbol now. So my @ on the second channel is @Stas Talks Money, but the channel name is my name, Stas Surfest. That is a link down below. Make sure you guys go check out the other channel and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use the link right down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.